Welcome to Ebas Gallery. On the surface, the Ford Explorer appears to be an upscale SUV, borrowing high-class styling from one of the world's shimmering luxo-utes, the Land Rover Range Rover. But look closer and the Explorer's true colors begin to show, mainly in the form of a cabin that is durable and family-friendly but not at all posh. Yes, tech goodies such as touch-screen infotainment, onboard Wi-Fi, and forward collision warning are available as options, but they're also available on nearly all of the Explorer's main rivals, too, and some even offer them as standard. The Explorer is capable and agreeable, but its time as king of the three-row crossover castle is just a memory now. Not much. To help dress up the Explorer's exterior style, Ford has introduced 5 new wheel designs, a slightly tweaked front grille design, and quad exhaust tips for the Sport and Platinum models. 4 paint colors are also added for 2018, Burgundy Velvet Tinted Clear Coat, Cinnamon Glaze, Platinum Dune Tricoat, and Blue Metallic. The new Safe and Smart option package combines some of the Explorer's active safety features into an easier-to-order bundle. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and automatic high-beam headlamps. Also new to the options list is a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. The base V6 and optional turbo 4-cylinder engines are both adequate for most duties. While the V6 is somewhat unrefined and the turbo 4 can be hesitant off the line, neither will let down the average crossover consumer. The twin-turbocharged V6 found in the Sport and Platinum, however, is wicked quick. Ford has changed nothing under the hood of the Explorer for 2018, including the plucky twin-turbo V6, so performance should remain the same.